Hello everyone and welcome back to Genie Crafts. So today we are going to take a look at this small diamond painting bundle. It's called diamond painting sticker. Now I know this is for kids, but I've been posting some videos on how to make diamond portrait, diamond coaster. So I thought I will give this a try and see how it looks. I actually got this off from temu.com. They don't deliver in India. I had to travel outside India, so I got it delivered there, but I think that you will be able to find similar stuff on amazon.com also or other online shop. So guys, let's dive into it, what all it contains. So there's a picture, we have 3 stickers, we have the beads, and let's open it. So I think this is the guide on how to do it. So we have instructions in different languages. This is the English one, so that's very basic, and okay, let's keep it aside. I don't need the guide. So we have 3 stickers. Then we have the required diamond beads. This only contains the colors which is needed for these stickers. We have the diamond tray and we have the pen. This is the first time I'm seeing a diamond tray with an open outlet. Normally this is closed so that the beads don't fall off when you shake it, so I'll have to be careful. I'll have to hold it like this and then shake it. There's the wax strip and this is your holding pen. Now I already have a lot of these in place, but this is the first time I'm seeing such a big diamond tray, and this is quite sturdy also. So this diamond tray, that's the wax. It has a laminate on both sides, so I'll have to peel it off like this and then press my picking pen on top of it, but I'll show that later. And that's the picking pen. So it has a hollow center here, so when you push it on the wax, it basically picks up the wax, and it's a hollow pen actually. All right, let's keep this aside. Let's move on to the diamond beads. So these are the smallest available beads in the market actually. In fact, all the beads that I have are of this size only. You get bigger sizes also. So we have a total of 5 colors. We have black, we have light gray, dark gray, we have brown, we have pink, and we have white. White is the maximum number of colors, so I think we are going to use the white the maximum. Alrighty, then we have these stickers. So I'm only going to show you one, and you can just follow the same principle for others. And if you guys want me to make a tutorial on how to make these personalized stickers for yourself, do let me know in the comment section, and I will try to post a video on the same also, and how to make these personalized stickers. Okay, so we have this one, then we have the kitty, and then we have this rabbit. So I think this is panda, this is kitty, and this is the rabbit one. So which ones to go? Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. So since I have cats, so I'm going to do the cats. Oh, so here is the sticky part. So these stickers are like this. You have to, I think, remove from both the sides. So essentially both the sides are sticky. Okay, so you have to be careful so that you do not waste it. Okay, I accidentally pulled it off. No problem. Now ideally what people do is that they peel off certain portions and then do that specific color, but it's a very small one, so I can just peel it off completely. But then I have to be very sure that I'm not putting my hand on any of the sticky area, otherwise the stickiness is going to get away. So let's start with the smallest one. Okay, before that let me take off some wax. So the way to take up the wax is like this. This is not a good quality wax, but still. So that's one way to use it. You can use this wax and this pencil, and the other way is that you can have a wax pencil of your own and just pick it up also. So I'm just going to show you how to use this, but I'm actually going to use this wax pencil. You get very easily online these wax pencils. These are very common for nail art and other stuff, So you just press it like this and it catches up the wax. Now the problem with this pencil is that after some time the wax presses inside, then you have to take up the wax again and again. It's quite troublesome, so I prefer these wax pencils. But let me show you how it works. let me separate these out. Do I need to I think I need to cut them. Okay, so I only need how many? 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now the best part about these kind of kits is, you know, that they have the background color also. So you see, while there are numbers here, the rest of the area which will not be covered by weeds has its own background, so it looks kind of nice. So I only need 3, 4, so I'm not going to pour more. So to align them, you just shake it like this and all of the beads align. Then you take up the pen like this and you pick it up, right? So it's that simple. Now as compared to this, if I use the wax pencil, I can also pick it up, and it's much easier to pick up with a wax pencil. So that's why I now use the wax pencil. I don't use the strips. Okay, so the first thing that we need to do, not from this side, from the top side, I need to peel it off. This is tricky. That's the problem with these transparent diamond artworks. The sticker is always tricky. Alright, so here it is. Let me put these. So you have to try and put these exactly on top of the numbers. Now this strip, this adhesive strip seems to be like too strong, so prefer not to stray away from the actual positions. The reason I did not pull it off completely, so that I can just place it back whenever I need. Alright, now this is done. We are left with one bead. So I think this hole is just to put the beads back, but it's very difficult. I have cut out a very small hole. So let me put this back. Alright, the next is white. The reason I'm doing white is because then I'll be done with this area and I can peel it off more. So I'm going to take out white as next. Time I need more. So let me just pour it out slightly, keep it aside for now. Yeah, this hole is good and bad at the same time. Okay, so I'm going to keep using my wax pencil, but you can use the pen that comes along with it also. Okay, so start from one end and keep going. Just ensure that you're not sticking your hand on it. Now we have 3 colors remaining, 2, 5 and 4. So I will put out 2 a little later. I have cats in house, so I can already see a lot of cat hair everywhere. So just try, be careful and do it in a clean environment. Okay, so next we will try and do the number 5. So number 5 is this one, light gray. Let me I already have a lot of spare of these from the previous diamond identity card, but I don't know where I have kept it, to be frank. When you're working on so many projects, you just lose track of things. Okay, so now we'll do this. We'll start from this side and go to that side. So I'll do this in a time lapse. Now we move on to the pink one. So let me I think we only need few, so I'm not going to take out too much. 4, 5, 9. Let's make it 10. It should be enough. I won't need more than this. And we are done with the pink color also. Now we are remaining with color number 4. So this is 4. This is dark gray, but the background again is kind of white, so not good. Sorry, kind of dark blue. So this particular one doesn't use brown. I think the other ones use brown. This one doesn't use brown, so we cannot use it. Okay, now this is done. Now comes, I think, the tricky part, because obviously you cannot have this entire thing stuck on a wall, right? So what I need to do is I need to cut out on these sides. Now I have this sticker. I can just peel it off from the back and stick it wherever I want. So I think I'm going to stick it at my office water bottle, because this is like really cute. So that's how you can build the other two also. I mean, the materials are there, and let me know once again in the comment box if you want me to create a video on how to create these kind of personalized sticker templates, and I'll be happy to make a video on that also. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you liked this video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to hit the like button and share this video with your friends. And do subscribe to my channel for regular videos on different forms of art and craft. And I will see you guys very soon in my next video. Till then, stay safe, take care, and bye-bye.